I'm going to show you guys some cool things that you can do only with Google Spreadsheets. This is something that Excel really struggles with and just doesn't do as good of a job with as Google does. And that is add-ons. Add-ons are all of these things, which I'll go through a couple later, like Spreadsheet Booster, Stack Lead, and the like. But add-ons are basically tools and pre-written scripts written by other developers that allow you to do relatively simple things without needing to write code. So what they do is they make your tool, make your spreadsheet a lot more valuable. So what I'm going to cover is basically, first of all, to show you how to install add-ons, you're going to go to the add-ons menu, get add-ons, and you can browse pretty much anything you want here. So what you can see here is, for one example, save as doc. This is a simple add-on that you just need to authorize and say you can accept this. And basically what it allows you to do is it allows you to save custom output as a document. So you'll go to add-ons, save as doc, start, and you'll start the add-on, which will happen on the side here. So it says select the cells, rows, or columns to save doc file. Olympians. Yep. First row does contain headings. Save as doc. And then what this did is this saved our data that we selected as a Google Doc. And it's doing this because I selected this. I selected the first row of selection contains headings. If I didn't, which we'll try again, just to give you guys an idea of what this does, it should open the doc and just have the names of everyone we selected. Perfect. This is a really, really useful tool because oftentimes when you're copying large chunks of data and you're trying to paste them into a Google Doc, they come out like that, which can be just a pain to get through. So what this does is this is just a very simple Google add-on that allows you to save whatever you want, like data that you've selected in your spreadsheet, as a new document. You can do this mapping sheets, you can remove duplicates, you can merge values, do all kinds, fonts, split names, all kinds of different things. It really depends what your goal is. You can add rows and columns easily, do math, merge sheets, play Sudoku, pretty much whatever you want. So I think that you should really spend some time, think about, what do you use Docs for? What are you trying to use it for? And how can you take advantage of the Google add-on store? Most of these are free to really make whatever you're doing or whatever you do often and repeatedly both more valuable and easier for you. Again, Google is the only one that does this. It's an incredible resource. And if you're technical, if you know a little bit of JavaScript, you can actually write your own scripts. Now, that's a bit too advanced to cover in this course because in order to do that, we need to talk about integrating with APIs, doing jQuery, learning JavaScript, all of that. However, what these add-ons are they're pre-built functions that allow you to take advantage of many of the common things people are trying to do within Google Spreadsheets. So if you're interested, though, you can take a look at this and maybe learn how to build your own script in Google Docs. But just wanted to take a second and show you some add-ons. Next, I'll go specifically into a couple different ones that are really, really cool and worth checking out.